Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wayne, what in the world is this?
I put together a new intro. What, you don't like it?
Absolutely not. And I doubt anyone else in the world wants to look at a couple kids with colossal craniums.
I bet Mom would love it. We'll play the rest at least. You cut out the title.
Okay, there. What are you doing there anyway, Wayne?
I have just invented an alarm clock.
An alarm clock?
Yeah. See?
Wayne, you didn't invent anything. You bought an alarm clock from the store, took it apart, and stuck it in a pencil case. You should be detained for questioning.
You would have me arrested for something like this?
Detained.
Arrested.
Detained. You know what? Bad joke, Wayne. Let's move on.
No, let's keep going. I told you it could go either way. As long as we don't mention anything like bomb or Muslim or anything like that.
We're live, Wayne.
Oh, right. Moving on.
Anyway, I wanted to talk to you about something, Wayne, and it's pretty serious. You see, we've been doing this hook knife thing for over a year now, and I just think it's time that we put an end to it.
No, Gary. Wait.
No, Wayne. I've even talked to a doctor, and he gave me something that says will help take care of you even.
Wait!
Goodbye, Wayne.
Wait! I have to tell you something about Analy-Tics.
What?
I was looking at our YouTube Analy-Tics, and I noticed something.
Analytics?
Yeah, whatever. Analytics. Analy-Tics. Just look.
Now, the YouTube Analy-Tics show the past 28 days. Analytics, Wayne. Oh, that's great. Look, 12 views, Wayne. Oh, my. 12 estimated minutes watched. We're doing wonderful, aren't we? Wait a minute. Wait, what's that? What is that, Wayne? That's what I'm trying to tell you. You see, I haven't read up on it completely, but apparently if our page gets popular enough, we can start getting paid. Wayne, I think this is telling us that we could get paid.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
You know, maybe I'll keep it going a little while longer. Okay, Wayne. I think we have a plan. Let's go ahead and call this a night, and we'll talk about it tomorrow, okay?
Sounds good.
Well, folks, I'm Gary. That was Wayne. Thanks for watching Hook Knife.
Wayne. Oh, come on, Wayne. Sorry. Good night, folks.